After 5 months, we family for that side, so for inside the Bombari find their woman picking, their girl picking. Last, they don't meet up die body for this girl picking now for inside some hole for some house where they build them. Now for the Bombari side, where this one pass, this afternoon we go take una enter for the Bombari village for Douala here for tell una as well this family it take find their picking it die body now for inside some septic pit for some house where they build them. Tori too for this afternoon country people them we go take una enter for Bonadibong na quarter for inside Douala here. More than 100 people them just now they don't the check sense who side they go sleep this evening time after way some caterpillar e enter for that quarter e chakada plenty people them house as we Tori enter we here wanna go see that one too and we hear waiting way people them too they broke them they talk for we. Tori for this afternoon, we go enter for inside place where they call them to say a Yahweh Day for that side. Now fire where it burn some peanut place for side where they call them say Damas. When they hear Satan where army rescue people then say they come for can lost fire. Country people them for inside Damas, the bags, they talk say they don't come late after where the peanut place. He don't burn all. Updates for chapter for Corona for we country and even for the whole world. Latest today, we go talk for now, but Sabi Seb say 10 school picking them and 9 teacher for inside government nursery school for Bonamusadi. They don't get Corona and since Monday, school it never open. Na so too Oga D.O. from Banga for Mongo division where they call it 10 for Christian it today outside today e be then a gate man for CC school picking them they put masks and they wash their hands as well they enter for school. The worker for DO for Banga we go bring them for now this afternoon case for loss too we get and we go bring to even case con the people them for newspaper them if time 11 week. Big people them talk this afternoon in the tell we say person where you know the talk it means say mumu and person where you know the see they no fit ever talk better talk. I say person where you know the talk and person where you know the see they no fit ever she done they talk better talk. Big part talk e comot na for Pa Amos Ngang where it is she done for Nyasoso town. Country peoples we dey turn back small time with plenty of the tori there. Country with the here as we Tori the enter for we here for that side so for Kumbu Buit division for Northwest say they don't burn post office for Abui for that side so for Tobin as we Tori the enter we here say they burn the post office inside this night breaking today as we Tori he enter we here for side for Bui division post office where they don't put fire for day and Sabi say this one in the Kamna time where they so governor for Japan he don't give 1.5 billion for country for support the build back Southwest and Northwest. Sabi say na minister prime minister Chief Dr. Joseph Diongute and our minister Alamin Usman May with the sign book with ambassador for Japan for take that 1.5 billion when for use them for staff fix Southwest and Northwest. We say that 1.5 billion in the enter now for water and even health for people them for Fako division as we Tori enter for inside we here. We go turn back for that chapter as we did go. Tori for this afternoon, we go start now for the Bombari side, country people them. More than 5 moon exactly, where family people them for Ndale Francois, they be find their pikin. Now after 5 moon, where they come discover say they don't kill their pikin, throw them inside some septic pit for that side so for some house where they see build them. Now for the Bombari side as we Tori enter for we here where this arraignment say it happen. Sabi say the man where they suspect say na he say he get hand for this woman where they don't kill him. Now the person where them two they be the she done and for the time where they be the ask the question he no be don't talk so till last family say he can't discover side where their bikini day inside that hole 5 moon after una go understand say after 5 moon automatic they no go fit for comot die body for sick as say after 5 moon die body be don rot in all inside that water so the people they only come now for can comot they bone them for this girl where he don't die they kill am then throw him inside that septic pit for that side. So for the Bombari, as we tori enter for we hear just now, man pikin, he dey with his gendarme people them for that side. So for the Bombari, the man pikin where the suspect say nahi, he get hand for this die, he dey for back counter. So the family only come on and they bone them for their girl pikin where they call him say Ndale Francois, where na man he kill him, then he throw him for inside septic pit. After when they finish come out all the bone them, they just put some cut and nail and coffin at least for to say they don't bury that woman where he get a 3 picking them as we to re-enter for we here. So now for inside that incomplete house where this man he killed that woman, Ndale Francois, he throw him. Now one of the picking that for Ndale Francois where they cry, a mommy sabi say one time where they come out that bone them for this woman where the family if you don't define them plenty time. Now 6 feet where they go put them for give am say true they don't bury am, but as so talk now 5 months where this family it don't define their picking where the accuse and the point finger for a massa the boy where them two the she done say now he do the work. So Ndale Francois with where he die for some kind of a way they don't last put it for 6 feet, but now only bones them where the family it go see am for inside that septic place where una see am where they go come up for dig the bone them so they don't bury am just now for inside place where they call am say burial ground for inside the Bombari. Now for inside littoral region here, and the man picking where the suspect say na he do the work, he dey for back counter for gendarme office of the Bombari where the year just now say na 3 picking them as so talk where they go sit down mourn and continue for cry their mommy as well as last they meet up their mommy. Now only bone them where come out for inside that septic place when they place that where this man picking he kill him, he throw him for inside country people them. Plenty thank you Boris for the work we do and for we for side for the Bombari this afternoon. We go come out the Bombari just now, we enter for Bonadibong. Now for inside Douala country people them for Bonadibong. Now people them cargo them that way they dey for outside. As well the talk just now. Sabi say the cargo them, they say na some man he don't can chakara their house. He move all them for outside. When the year say case for this land, he be there for court and court if he don't talk say no. Say he dey so nangom na ilan and as soon nangom na ilan may the people them continue for shidon for day. Now 6 o'clock today Friday where the people them wake up they only want see where caterpillar it don't finish chakara plenty people them house. So plenty of them they get now only their cargo them they no even sabi side where they go sleep this evening time for sick and say the chakara happen with them they no even sabi for that side. So for Bonadibong where the ESF say they be even throw tear gas and some of the tear gas he give caught for some woman them he give caught for some one mommy where it too the chakara house more than 100 people them as we tori the enter we here where them too they don't start for check sense place where they don't shit down for more than 20 years for some now more than even 50 years where they don't shit down on top the land only for wake up this morning time one person he claim for talk say the whole land na he own and na say wetin he don't go take order say na governor he give the order say me they can't chakara them and governor too maybe he go lie for talk on top this chapter they say na governor he give order for that man say make he can't chakara the people them who say all the people them they go sleep. Now the big question that we will to the ask and even the man where he get mind for chakara plenty people them so so the talk for the bone for Bonadibong quarter for inside Douala here. As they say he be put microphone for one of the mommy them he try for tell we waiting it happen.
My brother, I don't know. They don't bomb me now for year. I don't know to where say the one for we. Now I put this where they don't take guys that promotion. They don't block my food with it. I know the worker. I don't know. They don't come for 6 o'clock. Now for 6 o'clock they don't wake up we. I see that so police. I want to ask you. I hear that so guys that people say beep. I want run. They don't blow my food with it. I know the worker. That's so I don't know how I do. I don't know how I will make up. I don't know my brother. I don't know play what you go with you picking them. Now for you, my papa don't die for you. We don't make 70 ans. My mama too don't die. We don't make 80 ans. Me say I go now for 55 ans. They don't come blue with me today. I don't know where we go. I don't know.
Now, mommy, that way the talk with the ash say we go turn back for that mommy, but sabi say another person where we eye catchy, way they so it too no good sabi place for sleep today. Now this power way pass up no defeat for work away the worker now it is stick them. Part two, if you don't make it small or cut a nail and for inside quarter for bona the bong, but just now they don't come broke pa, it can go the day outside. They hold today, who side them go sleep pa with this kind of condition. Now just the thing that would they try for us every day palava for land, the same land. Where we go for die, we leave them for back. Where they go put you for inside. Now the same land where they give different people them trouble. On top, for sake I say you claim in a land, you don't make plenty people them. Just now, wait for she done, it no day for them. Mommy too, wanna just hear where he talk, he continue for tell we whether they be even give them notice for come out. Mommy, how the thing be pass?
They never talk no nothing. They talk say na gouverneur don't talk say they come blue we. We talk say how gouverneur we talk say they come blue we. One time so when he say maybe call procureur. When maybe call procureur, we say
you don't give una sommation de get
Papa, we will get problem for this place. Say my mommy wonder where we will get problem, but they don't fish problem because they say we don't go for Yaoundé. Minister don't arrêter. Minister don't talk say that titre foncier where that man get an full titre foncier. He don't annulate the titre foncier. We get that titre foncier. Any man, any house where they block and he get his own titre foncier where minister will give him. Minister Ayibi Ayisi Eyebe. Now he be giving down. He don't annulate that titre foncier for Saya. Say she don't say na governor. We don't. That means we no get problem for here. But
there's a side the blue can so say na land.
Yes. Well, your papa be background for your papa before he die. Now that money where they don't give, where he don't go school with him, sote.
Yes, you don't hear wait to mommy talk for the concerning the land. Say Minister Henry Yebe Ayisi. If you don't talk, say me they no worry them on top that land. But just now, that mommy them all their work where they don't work, sweat. It don't just losses. As so plenty of them. They no go get place of sleep this evening time. We go turn back for the inside the week. Now some two boy them this where gendarme people them for Brigade Terre for that side so for Bonanjo they catch them. With the yesterday two boy them now them the attack people them inside taxi for night when it don't reach 12 o'clock so take for morning time. Now their motor that way they use them for thief people them inside Douala here and with the yesterday now gendarme people them for Brigade Terre for inside Bonanjo where they catch this boy them and how they manage catch them the last thing where they do before gendarme people them catch them now say they catch some mommy the thief in 99,000 yes the thief 90 he get 900 and almost a million yes now small so if for reach a million way it is so the thief 900,000 plus where they thief from this mommy then after where they finish thief the money for the mommy they tie the mommy eye knock the mommy for inside their motor before they left the mommy for outside investigate your people them gendarme for Brigade Terre for inside Bonanjo they do now the investigation we make and so say they can catch this two boy them the one and the other person don't see the way they be showing them two now with the gendarme people then say they catch them where they don't the attack people them inside taxi particular from 12 sote for morning time when it means say 12 midnight sote for morning time so they don't catch them and they dey for back counter just now for inside gendarme people them hand now for inside Douala here country people them. We go take una just now. We enter for chapter for fire, inside fire. Now for that side, so for Damas, we'll go take una go. Damas now for inside Yaoundé. Now some quarter name be that. And for that side for Damas as well na the sea. Now some binet place away in the cash fire. Population, he only turn up to in the look. The time when population want start take water or take other thing they say they want go lost fire. As well the fire be the so continue for cash. We hear say police people there they come. They instead deny say me population they know who lost the fire say army rescue them the day for road they come and another excuse where they get and say that pole for light where it turn up for before the binner place it go fall on top people them so last the people there way they be even get go hard for fight say me they lost that fire they be only turn up the look as well police people them they be turn up for corner for talk say make no person e no cross. Sabi say that fire wey start from one Benin place wey we hear say na Salome wey e dey local woman dem bie e continue e enter for another Benin place before last army rescue them for inside Yawende they wan come, and before the army rescue say wan come, as we talk, population for Damas vex plenty for sika say they no understand why we fire go the cash, then they call, then they come. If she and say even that a pole is start for spark as well the thing, it be the cash, it go. So army rescue it come with the Benin place, it don't burn all, and even the next door too, it don't burn for that side. So for Damas, now for Yawende, where the one it pass as we Tori enter for insights we hear. For Douala here, also go enter for Douala just now. Na some Binet place where be cash fire. Na for Bilonge, Entrée Église. Yes, I hope so I don't pronounce and well. Bilonge, Entrée Église. Na for the way they so this other fire system a cash country people them. E be then late yesterday as we Tori enter for inside we here. And according to Tori we enter we here. Army rescue the one come with the Binet place them. They be already burn all for that side. So for inside Entrée Bilonge, Entrée Église. Thank you plenty too for that side. Cherostar, where it is so you take time for take with the photo them concerning this fire. We cash for Bilonge, Entrée Église for inside Douala here. We go take una go for West Region, Palaba for or before we enter for First Region, West Region side. We talk on top these people the way they catch the way they make fake mimbo them. They copy the same thing way company where they make the mimbo so say they do, then they do now the two people them that where they show with them where they don't make the fake juice them, they sell them for outside. So gendarme people them put hand for them where it they so they catch them right inside their workplace where they make this fake mimbo then. So whiskey, we don't ever the talk say fake one a day, wawa one a day, even wine two wawa one a day. Now, even the sweet drink, what the drink come? Wawa one today means you get original sweet mimbo when a company says they make them, and the wawa one where the boys them, this kind boys that they make them. So they catch them and they show it for them yesterday. Now for inside country as we Tori enter for we here. Now for West Region, now some wonderful thing where it pass for inside the school for that side. So for West Region for Cameroon country people them where the year say this thing it happen now for place where them call them say for inside place where they call them say Bafusam. Now for that side where they catch some picking. Yes, this picking as we Tori enter for we EM if you want come out for outside gate. Overall big man it deny for that side. So for Babaju, now for the way they so the catch the picking one only used by force for Naka the supervisor for inside the school. So they carry they go level for inside the prison for police people them for say me they make investigate on top and for see the kind of cassingo where them go give them for it. Now trouble is there for that side. So for Q3 now for inside Wokaka village now for Southwest Region for Fako just now as soon as they read that book where now Chief Njoke Johnson where he signed the book Jombe he signed the book and he talks just now the Oga Pata for on top this chapter where they try for talk say the real person where be chief for that side. So or the quarter eight for inside Q3 now Oga Raymond say Ogachi we don't the tonton for inside quarter say he no be na any quarter eight for that side. So for Awokaka Q3 as we already enter for we here. So Chief Njombe he don't talk just now say any person where he deal with Ogachi like the quarter eight for Q3 for Wokaka village. He did do so now for his own trouble. Any problem for that Q3 as well the chief for Wokaka village, Chief Njombe, it's just we don't talk. He say now Ogarimon, he be the real chief. So all thing we concern Q3 for inside Wokaka village. Now Ogarimon says he be the man with the get for go meet up they talk so that trouble it no go be. So now book that where Chief Njombe says we now be the overall chief for Wokaka village. He don't sign for bring order inside a village. Just now we go enter for chapter for Corona for inside the whole world according to the latest number them where they give we for John Hopkins University the latest Corona number them as we go enter. We dey enter for corona, we take una enter for this corona number them sesep where we get am according to the latest wey John Hopkins University give am for we. As of for the number 19 day for February wey na today, John Hopkins University dey tell for we 110,325,628 na to that case that for corona sick people them inside the whole world. 62,127,222 people they don't well, and 2,441,917 people that don't die since we corona e enter inside the whole world according to the latest number them where John Hopkins University e give am for we. For inside Cameroon, the latest number them where Dr. Manauda Malashi Giam for a Twitter na say as of since we corona enter for we country na 33,749 people them where they don't test them with the corona sick, 31,362 people them don't well, and 523 people them don't already die. As well the talk just now, we get 2,200 people there the day on top hospital beds for Sika corona for we country, and 38 people that they use oxygen. 5% the day on top hospital beds, and you go see say the percentage for people there they don't well na 93%. As we minister Dr. Manauda Malashi he talk as we the number we give on Thursday, and another thing we don't jump, we fit turn back for the other thing. Minister Sesep he don't the one people them Manadin we fit enter for the other side. Minister is the one, minister don't the one. We get other photo for the winner. Minister Sesepa is the one people them just now concerning this corona sick country people them. As we una don dey look inside that number, we forget the photo where minister the one concerning the sick. Yes, now the photo that we minister the one just now is the one the whole country say make all man he concentrate for that 13 commander them we head boy for country he begin for sick say the way the corona he don't come again for some kind of way. So Dr. Manauda Malashi he the one when he come outside member all the 13 commander them we country he begin concerning this sick. Now, as we talk for now, government nursery school Bonamusadi 1 week. Now today go make a 1 week where the school it never open. 9 teacher them and 10 picking them. Yes, if I know change the number them, they don't get corona, and since government nursery school Bonamusadi it don't lock, no picking in no day school where the year say the one after we they test some picking them and teacher them with this corona sick. And as soon as we hear say even some mommy them it is also continue for carry their picking them can school. They never give them no information concerning the thing where don't pass. Now only after where they hear this picking to go school this morning time, he no see it come be them. He say once he come be them. Mommy too we don't talk say even if now waiting something they happen for school, they be even get for come mommy them talk for them say nothing this way they happen. No be na say they go just shit down for house, then they hear say nothing that way they happen. Say if na say school no day again, or they want talk say school no go day again, may they give them back their money as well the mommy picking in the talk where don't go for school for go find a picking or go take picking go school no day open. And according to where the delegate for primary school book for inside literal region a talk for we ESSM use him up for tell we say na for sick as say some school picking them and teacher them they be test them positive for corona sick. Now why that way they lock government nursery school for that side for Bonamusadi, and he don't talk say if school get for start on Monday then the expect say it dey so all they picking them, yes, all picking them and teacher them they get for come with test for show say they no get corona. Now if some people they be don't make their test for the past 2 weeks, they never fit forget them. Now only 1 week where they picking them too, they go do test before they start school on Monday where they ask now only a question. Now we go take una enter from Bangatu for Mongo division. So don't talk this afternoon. The divisional officer from Banga for Mongo division, he don't start back again, he don't come back na new GO, he don't talk say no, he don't see am say plenty picking them, they don't disrespect this wedding for marks for enter school. So DO2 will be then a gate man today for that side. So for government bilingual school Mbanga for Mongo division. Now for say waiting, he says say one see the picking the way they come school where they know the wear face masks, or the picking the way they come where they know wear face masks first. As we Tori enter for we hear DO Christian, he drive them say may they turn back for house for Sika waiting for Sika say they don't disobey governor e order as we tori enter for we ear. And sabi sef say DO e take time, e visit technical school, e visit even the grammar school for governor side for inside Mbanga. E don talk for the pikin dem, say make they look at themselves and may they continue for the respect the commander dem when governor e don give am as we tori enter for inside we ear. For sika say time e no dey plenty, make we just enter for the one. The charge wey dey be charge pikin dem, we fit see as wey dey cash the charge pikin dem for inside class. They comot Bible for pikin their skin, this small Bible dem, and they comot even condom dem for pikin dem inside class. Maybe we fit get that image. We no go take the interview dem. We go surely turn back on Monday. Now the Bible dem that wey they comot am for this pikin dem inside their pocket, and the thing wey they never fit for understand na wetin the pikin dem dey do out with this Bible dem inside school for their pocket dem. And according to wetin wey dey enter we ear, all that pikin dem na dem that way they turn up for outside. According to the principal for the school, it shows say plenty of the pikin dem wey they hold them, so they hold Bible, they never pay school fees. They no be school pikin dem. They dey just wear uniform, they can't enter for class. They say they dey smoke inside school, they dey cause problem, they dey fight plenty. As with the principal, he be the talk for divisional officer. So say he no even sabi say na so the thing dey happen until now, where they don't go follow up for check say they pikin dem true no be na pikin dem for inside government technical school for that side. So from Banga now some other one that they charge some of the boy picking them pocket, they meet up now a condom them for inside their pocket them where they carry and go school. No ask me where they go do with this one them for school, now condom them that where they move them for inside picking them pocket for that side. So from Banga for Mongo division con the people them now for inside we country, how we go do as well the thing that they happen. Make we take the announcement them, we'll get them as so they come out for Tori this afternoon. We take the announcement that for people there they don't lose, we'll get them for inside we house before we come out this afternoon. We get case for people there they don't lose. Two of them we there for inside we news file. We no go fit for a look the other country them concerning this corona and newspaper them, but if we take announcement people there they don't lose with their family, he define them. We get the announcement them too. If it take them, we start with this mommy where they call am say Zunkeng Martin, where it don't lost since now for that side. So for Yawinde, so family for Zunkeng the back say any person we don't see this mommy 675-876-641 677-691-43 north. Now number that way if you use them for call them, or you take the mommy go for any gendarme or police station where they for corner for sideway this mommy you find it. They say even dash it wait you. Another case for loss this afternoon country people them where it dey for inside we hand. Now this picky where they call them Wafo Junior Eve. Now family for Wafo sesep in the beg say this their pikin come out for house. Since we come out, he never turn back again. So the beg say if you don't see for any site, number for before tele 65 north 365 368 677 946 404. Now number them that where if you use them for call, or if you take the pikin, you go for any police or gendarme office where it dey for corner. There's a plenty dash in the wait any person where it fit for see this pikin and that mommy where it don't lose. PG News debate it come on Saturday 12:30 1:30 country people them PG News debate we go turn back for some of the thing them where it be pass inside the week country. Big thank you for now for outside for the whole week. Ledu Pone, Nadine and even Malice all them be there for back machine for side for C-setting the waka fine. Innocent Abega too. Now be put camera for my before this afternoon PG News debate we go meet up if Papa God agree. On a hold am tight.